Welcome friends, today I am going to discuss about the Eclipse or STS performance improvement. So we are developing code using Eclipse or STS, okay? But we have experienced performance issue, right? So it will take time for compiling code and it's sometimes is the JDK. So first thing is that JDK by default it's pointing to the JRE. First you need to change after creating before importing any code or writing any code, change the default JDK, otherwise every time you have to change the JDK. So how we are going to do that? So Windows preference, install JRE. Okay, here you will see that I have already changed to JDK. Okay, you will see, other than that just go to edit and change the path and name. Okay, so it will by default it's pointing to the JDK 8. Okay, now after changing it's pointing properly. Now next thing is that Windows preference startup and shutdown, unnecessary thing we don't want to run during opening Eclipse or STS. So here I have included only the Spring related stuff, other stuff I did not include, so it will increase your performance for the Eclipse. Next thing is that validation part. Okay, so Windows preference validation. So here is the validation I suspend. So all that validation it will not, like client side JavaScript, any validation it will avoid it. Okay, so we can avoid this validation part. And as a Maven project, I don't I mean it will take time for every code change. If you make that build automatically, it reduce the performance, so make sure that it's deselected. Okay, and refresh and update Maven project. So once you have done for the Maven build, okay, so you need to, what you need to do, you need to, so all are Spring Maven project, right? What you need to do, you need to refresh it. Okay, so by that you are going to refresh it, and after that Maven update project. Okay, and in update project force update. So whatever you have done build, after build from java dot class getting generated, and that dot class have that link or dependency. Okay, with that code, so that it's getting reflected. So first you have refreshed it, then you have updating, right? It's the forcing to update that what you have done, updating the project, right? Force update of snapshot or the release. Okay, here you see uh, that it's getting updated. Okay, and next item is more about the nice to have features. Okay, so in your Eclipse you see that the font size, right? Let me open any of the file. Okay, how that font size is. So I have already increased the font size. Okay, Windows preference, if you write font, color and font. So what I have done, in the basic part there is a two things, text font, text editor, block font. Okay, both the case by default it is 10, I have increased to 14. So font of the file is increased 10 to 14. And next is the changing to dark theme. For STS, going to the appearance, you can theme change to dark, color and theme. For Eclipse, I have to add additional plugin. Okay, what I have done here, I have used that appearance, dark Linux and the class theme, and there is also theme we can use that. Okay, as the color theme There's a multiple color theme. Okay, so Oblivion, so I have used the Oblivion. Okay, so this way you can change the theme color in Eclipse, and STS is a default. You will get that dark Linux theme. And if you are using SonarLint, of course, every project, you have to select every project, and you have to check if there is any sonar. So here I have not used, but if you have used SonarLint, then make sure that uncheck the SonarLint box. Okay, so it will make your project more faster and your development time will be reduced. Okay, thank you very much. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Keep subscribing.